Outcome Measures GAD-7. Hello everyone! Today we're going to review how to use the GAD-7 or Generalized Anxiety Disorder 7 outcome measure to gather information from your client regarding the severity of their anxiety symptoms. Before starting this tutorial, make sure you've set up the basics of your TherapyNotes account and that you've enabled the Client Portal and Client Portal document sharing within the Settings section. There are two ways to send the GAD-7 outcome measure to a client, either from the Outcome Measures tab in the library or from the Client's Portal tab. First, let's click Library and then the Outcome Measures tab. Select the GAD-7 questionnaire. A screen about the GAD-7 will open, telling you a bit more about the outcome measure itself, as well as a preview of a sample completed questionnaire. Click the Share on Portal button at the bottom of the screen. This will then open a Share Documents on Portal dialog box. Begin typing in the patient field and select the patient's name you want to send the GAD-7 to. If you'd like to send any custom instructions to the patient, enter them in the Instructions field and they will be set with the documents you've selected to share. Then simply click the Send Document Request button and you're all set. Another way to send the GAD-7 to a client is from their Portal tab. First, you will need to click the Patients tab, then select Patient Name, the Portal tab, and then Share Documents button. The Share Documents on Portal box will appear. Select the Library Documents tab, and then the GAD-7 from the Select Library Documents to Share field. Add any necessary custom instructions into the Instructions field, and click the Send Document Request button. Once the document request has been sent, the outcome measure will be listed in the patient's Documents and Portal Requests with a pending submission status. If you have any questions, contact us at 215-658-4550 or email us at support@therapynotes.com. As always, our support is free and unlimited.